Good morning, dear students. How are you all? Welcome in your maths class. So, dear students, what we are learning these days in maths? We are learning tens and ones. So, dear kids, what can you see at tens place? At tens place, we can see two bundles of pen having 10 pens in each bundle. इसमें भी 10 pens हैं और इसमें भी 10 pens हैं. And how many tens? 2 tens. 2 tens means 20. Okay. Now let's move to ones place. How many rings can we see at ones place? 1, 2. 2 ones. 2 ones. So what will be our number? 20 plus 2. 20 in our mind, 2 in on your fingers. 21 and 22. So our answer is 22. So we have learned this method in our earlier class. Today I am going to introduce a wonderful activity. So dear students, today we are going to learn to count the numbers on abacus. So let's see what is an abacus. So dear students, abacus is a calculating device which has tens and ones at its place and it has beads in it. क्या है अबैकस? एक डिवाइस होता है, एक इंस्ट्रूमेंट है जिसमें कुछ रॉड्स होती हैं और कुछ मोती होते हैं. हम टेंस वंस उन मोती के हिसाब से काउंट करते हैं. वी हैव अबैकस इन स्कूल. जब भी स्कूल खुलेंगे आई विल डेफिनेटली शो यू. बट डियर चिल्ड्रन, आई हैव ट्राइड टू क्रिएट एन अबैकस फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू एट माई होम. सो लेट्स सी एंड डू आवर काउंटिंग ऑन अबैकस. दिस इज आवर अबैकस. And I told you that there are rods. ये मैंने rods बनाई हैं and tens and ones at their place. आपको last class में भी children I told you कि ones हमेशा right side पे होता है और tens हमेशा left side पे होता है. So today we are going to count the numbers on abacus. आपको बोला अभी कि abacus में जो rods होती हैं उसमें beads होते हैं. तो in the place of beads I am going to use these rings and we will count the numbers by it. So dear children, there are 2 rings at tens place and 1 ring at ones place. So how many tens are there? Count them. There are 2 tens and 2 tens means 20 plus, now see at ones place, only 1 ring is there. So 1. What will be our number? 20 in your mind, 1 on your fingers, and our answer will be 21. Now see, let's next one. Now dear children, count how many rings are there at tens place. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can say 4 beads or 4 rings. 4 tens means 40. Plus, now see at ones place. Let's count 1 and 2. What will be our answer? 40 in our mind, 2 on your fingers. 41 and 42. Now, I remove all the rings from the tens place. What will be our number? We have nothing at tens place and 2 rings at ones place. So 0 tens plus 2 ones. What will be our answer? Our answer will be 2. Now we have 1 ring at tens place and we have nothing at, see next question. We have nothing at ones place and we have 1 ring at tens place. 1 10 means 10. 10 plus we have nothing at ones place, so we are going to write 0. 10 plus 0, 10. Now move to another. We have 1 ring. We have 1 ring at 1 tens place, and let's count how many rings we are having at ones place. We have 3 rings at ones place. So 1 at Tens place means 10 plus, let's count, 1, 2, 3. 10 in your mind, 3 on your fingers. What will be our answer? 11, 12 and 13. Now let's see. It's really interesting. मजा आ रहा है बच्चों count करने में? So now count how many rings at tens place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens means 50. Ones पे देखेंगे. 1, 2, 3. 3 ones means 3. Now 50 in your mind, 3 on your fingers. 51, 52 and 53. I hope you all are enjoying counting on abacus. So now what can you see? I hope you all will guess the answer very soon. How many tens at? There are 2 tens. 2 tens means 20. Plus, and how many ones? Only 1. What will be our answer? Our answer will be 21. The same answer we have got earlier in our last activity. जब हमने पेन के 2 bundles देखे थे, तो we came to know 2 bundles देखने के बाद 20, and हमने जब tapes देखी थी तो वो 2 tapes थी शायद, that was 22, but we have got the answer now 21. So I hope you have learned to count on abacus. Let's see 1 or 2 examples more. So how many tens can you see? 0 tens. 0 tens. Plus, now how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 0 plus 5, our answer will be 5. So dear children, we have learned to count on abacus. Today we are going to do page number 49 of our book, and there is a pic of abacus with each question. We will count the beads and we will write down the answer. So today we are going to do page number 49 and 50 of our book. We have learned to count on abacus through our activity. So what can we see? We can see the abacus. Let's count. How many beads you can see on tens? There are no beads. So what will be our number? 0 tens. 0 tens plus, let's count our beads on ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 ones. So what will be our answer? Our answer will be 6. Now moving to the next one. How many tens you can see in question number B? There are 2 tens. 2 tens means 20. But we will write only 2. 2 tens means 20 plus, let's count on ones. How many ones are there? There are 2 ones. So what will be our answer? Our answer will be 22. Dear children, we can see same beads in tens and ones. हम टेंस और वंस दोनों में सेम बीट्स देख रहे हैं, है ना? तो आप ये मत सोचिएगा कि वंस में 2 है, टेंस में भी 2 है. टेंस में बीट्स तो 2 हैं, लेकिन 1 बीट इज इक्वल टू 10. एज आई टोल्ड यू, 1 10, 2 10, 20, 3 10, 30. Let's move to see how many tens we can see. We can see 6 tens. 6 tens is equal to 60. So we will write 6 tens. And how many ones? 4 ones. What will be our answer? Our answer will be 64. Let's move to page number 50. Let's start page number 50. I am going to do only 3 parts of question 1. You will do the remaining yourself. So what can we see at tens place? How many beads are there? There are 2 beads, means 2 tens. 2 tens means 20. We will write 2 before the tens, and let's count how many ones are there. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 ones. So 2 tens and 5 ones make 25. क्योंकि 2 tens means 20. 20 plus 5, 25. Let's move to second one. How many beads at tens place? 3. 3 means 30. We will write 3 tens plus how many at ones place? Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So our answer will be 36. Let's move to C part. How many beads we can see at tens place? We can see 6 beads. 6 tens means 60. So we will write 6 tens plus how many beads at ones place? No bead means 0 ones. 6 tens plus 0 ones. बेटा इसका आंसर बाय मिस्टेक 6 मत लिखिएगा, कहीं आप काउंट करें 6 plus 0. 6 tens means 60. Your answer will be 60. Okay. D, E, F you will do yourself. I am moving to the next part of the page. So in this second part we have to write the number in short form. What can we see in question number A? How many tens are there? There are 5 tens and 7 ones. We have written the number 57. Let's count B question. How many tens are there? There are 4 tens. So what we will write? 4. And how many ones are there? 4 ones. Our answer will be 44. Let's move to next one. How many tens are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 tens. And how many ones? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Our answer will be 68. Let's move to D question. How many tens we can see? We can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We can see 7 tens. We will write 7 and how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our answer will be 75. So dear children, do E, F, G, H part yourself. While counting on abacus, count very carefully. Okay, that's all for today. Bye bye. Take care.